Riri ithurano nene cia bururi tigitie mieri 6 ikuru igitabanio urugari wa kiuteti naguo no uthiete na mbere na kwambatira ateti kuma miehu ngurani ya kiuteti magithie na mbere na kuhungura ituri ngurani cia bururi umathini wa kura riu kiama kia aruti a wira honge-ini ngurani cia bururi nikio kuthehia gikiuria ateti gutwarithia na mbere kambini ciao na ukiraniriria na uramati wa urumwe wa bururi.
The politicians are looking for a job for the next 5 years, but they have forgotten the issue of empowering our young people so they can be able to get jobs, empowering those who are employed so they can be well remunerated. Young people need capacity. They don't need to be given handouts.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Albert Jero, uteti muhiu wa guikaniria ciugo ni ugwati munene kuri aruti a wira na utonga wa bururi, akiuga ruhonge rwa mikawa na ugendi rukoretwo ritũ-ini wa kuhatikwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19 urituria ashakaite waya kuhiriria wona uteti wa ngayukano wathie na mbere bururi-ini.
And therefore we are calling to all politicians, kindly let us do politics mature politics.
Guku akiuria honge cia thirikari iria ihokeirio kuhitana na ateti aria maratuhuka mĩario ya kuhurithania muingi, athomi na ataaramu kuma kaunti ya Naikuru nao ni macakaite urugari wa kiuteti uria uthiete na mbere na kwiyumba.
We need peace in our country. We don't need to be given lectures on how one tribe against the other can fight against the other.
We believe that when we do that here, it will be replicated in other institutions, and it will also be replicated in the general elections. If the youth are able to move and be at the forefront in ensuring that there is peace, then the others will follow.
Bakiaria thukuru-ini wa Rift Valley Institute of Science and Technology, ataaramu aya ni moritie thirikari gutigirira ithurano ni ciatabanio na njira ya uma na waragania na hokuria ateti kuha muingi na njira ya gitio.
We have a country to take care of, and it's upon all those of us who are of our age to ensure that we move this country peacefully, we do our campaigns peacefully, and the most important thing is to accept the verdict of the electorate.
You cannot disrupt peace, because if you cannot win election, even if you disrupt peace, you still remain that you have not won. You are still a loser. So the politicians should come up with other ways of convincing voters to vote for them, not by disrupting.
The politicians should also follow the footsteps of the students, because the students compose of a larger number of the youths, and these youths are the people that they expect their votes from. So since the youths are going to maintain peace, the politicians should also take viable measures.
Kameme TV, ile tuwalia kwa Ng'ombe wa Maina.